Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Siti Nufatia binti Zamri and my matric number is H2182675. Okay, I'm going to present about question 1 and question 2. Okay, for question 1, firstly we need to find the math scores, which is for class width, we must use the formula maximum minus minimum divided by number of classes. For example, for these math scores, and the class width is 712 minus 552 divided by 5 equal to 32. First class is 552 till 583, and the frequency is 9 with percent is 36 and cumulative percent is 36. And the frequency we got from the how many students that in the class from 552 till 583. Then for the percent, we get from 9 divided by 25, which is the student in the class divided by the total of the student. So we got the percent, which is 36. And cumulative percent is the sum of class percent and with the previous classes. Yes. So next class is from 584 till 615 with frequency 5 and percent is 20, while the cumulative percent is 56. Then next class is 616 till 657 with frequency 5 and the percent is 20 and the cumulative percent is 76. While the for next class 648 till 679, there is 0 for frequency percent and cumulative percent. Next 680 till 711 with frequency 5, percent 20 and cumulative percent is 96. Lastly is 712 till 743 with frequency 1 and percent is 4, while cumulative percent is 100. So the total of frequency is 25. So next for English scores, and the class width is 47. So first class start with 486 till 532 with frequency 4%, 16 and cumulative percent also 16. The next class is 533 till 579 with frequency 6 and 24% and cumulative percent is 40. Then 580 till 626 with frequency 10. The percent is 40 and the cumulative percent is 80. Next is 627 till 673 and the frequency is 3. The percent is 12 and the cumulative percent is 92. Then 674 till 720 with frequency 1. The percent is 4 and cumulative percent is 96. Last but not least, 721 till 767 with frequency 1. The percent is 4 and the cumulative percent is 100%. So the total of frequency is also 25. Okay, so next for question 2, and this is histogram chart for math scores I can develop from based on the info and data from the table. Okay, and the histogram chart shows that the highest number of students in math score is first class, which is 552 till 583. While the lowest is the class that start with 648 to 679. While for the English score, The highest number of student English score is the class that start with 580 till 626, which is 10 students, while the lowest is two class, which is that start with 674 till 720, and also the class that start with 721 till 767, which is that both of class is have one students for English score. Okay, so this is a pie chart for the gender of students that involved in these sample studies. So the chart shows that the female is the most with 52%, while the male only 48%.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Hanifatah binti Muhammad Lazim. My metric number is H2020422. I will present about question number 3. Calculate the standard deviation for both. Calculate the median and mode for the maths and English score. So we need to search the frequency F and F for the both. So the answer for the maths score, mean is 618.70, medium 605.90, mode is 573.65, variance 2816, and the standard deviation is 43.07. For English score, mean is 591.72, median 601.90, mode 611.89, variance 3365.04, and standard deviation is 58.01. For question 4, is estimate the distribution of high school GPA and computer GPA using the test for estimating the normal right skew or left skew distribution. For high school GPA, the mean is 3.01, median is 3.011, and the mode is 3.4715. So the graph is left skew. For the computer GPA, mean is 3.15, median is 3.2305, and mode is 3.5824. The graph is left skew.
Hi, a very good day to everyone. My name is Tanusha Jairaman and my metric number is H201A3106. Now I would like to present my part, which is the question 5, to find out the confidence interval for maths score. The sample mean is 618.70. Sample standard deviation is 53.07. Sample size N is as 25. Z value at confidence level 95, Z is 1.96. To substitute the value into formula, 618.70 plus minus 1.96, 53 over 25 square root. We will get for the plus we will get 639.51. For the minus we will get 597.89. Therefore, the confidence interval for math set score at 95 confidence level is approximately between range of 597.89 and 639.51. This means we can be 95% confident that true population mean of math set score falls within the range. Next, for the confidence interval for the English, sample mean is 519.72, sample standard deviation is 58.01. Meanwhile, the sample size is as usual 25, and the Z value at the confidence level 95% is 1.96. To substitute the values into formula, 519.72 plus minus 1.96, 58 over 25 square root. For the plus, we will get 542.46. For the minus, we will get 496.96. 0.98 the confidence interval for the English. Therefore, the confidence interval for the English set score at 95 confidence level is approximately between the range of 496.98 and 542.26. This means we can be 95% confident that the true population mean of English set cost score falls within this range. For the question number 6, scatter plot of high school GPA university GPA relationship. There is a positive linear relationship between the high school GPA and the university GPA, as we can see general upward trend line into scatter plot. In other words, as high school GPA increase, the overall university GPAs increase as well. Thank you.
This is how to draw scatter plot comparing the student high school GPA to their overall university GPAs and also have relationship to B. Hi, my name is Nur Fatimi Bentizra. My metric number is H2182570. A scatter plot shows the relationship between two quantitative variable measure for the same individuals. The value of the one variable appear on the horizontal axis and the value of the other variable appear on the vertical axis. Each individual in the data appears as a point on the graph. A visual presentation of the distribution of the data can be observed by graphing the values of data points. The higher the correlation between the two variables, the closer the data points are that resemble a straight line when appointed. Based on the scatter plot above, we can identify a positive correlation or relationship. That's because an uptrend has been pointed in this scatter plot. Question A. 239.74 minus 75.8 equal 25 and divided by 234.8 minus 75.8 bracket 2 and bracket 247.82 minus 77.71 bracket 2 and the answer is 25. And 239.74 minus 233.69 equal 6.05 divided by 8.1 bracket 6.27 equal 6.05 and divided by 50.77 and equal 6.5 and divided by 7.13 equal 0.849. There is the strong positive correlation at 0.849 between the students' gender and their overall university GPA.
And my metric number is H2182699. For question 9, at the set division level use 0.05 after use the formulated statistic, we get the result of female grade is not the same for male student because the conclusion is 60.28 more than 2.065, then we success to reject HO. Therefore, we can conclude that there is significant difference in rented charge. In question 10, A, after we put the data given the regression equation for GPA from both score is format GPA, we get the correlation between the university GPA format. Set score is 0.771. This indicates positive moderate relationship between university GPA and med set score. While the regression equation the slope of the line is 0.0005 and the equations process the y-axis at negative 1.504. So the regression equation is y equal negative 1.504 plus 0.0075x. While for med GPA, we get correlation between the university GPA from English set score is 0.75. And the result in negative positive moderate relationship between university GPA and English set score, then the regression equation, the slope of the line is 0.0066. And the equation cross the y-axis at negative 0.752. So the regression equation is y equal negative 0.752 plus 0.0066x. While the R squared of model, we have two such as combination of determinant of math set. University GPA is 59.44%, while English is 56.25%. This part of the total variation in math set can be explained by number of university GA picture, the registration line, and some also of English set score.